Hi, this is Sogan. Welcome to Sogan's Crochet. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to crochet super easy and simple crochet coaster. Crochet coaster are easy to make and are also great for gifts. So let's see. To crochet this circle, I have started with the magic ring and chain 3, and then make a 14 double crochet into the magic ring. And then for the round 2, make a 2 double crochet together in each stitch. So for the round 3, make a 2 double crochet together and 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet. So for the next round, 2 double crochet together and 2 double crochet into the next 2 stitch. So for the round 1 2 3 4 5, 2 double crochet together and 3 double crochet into the next 3 stitch. So for crochet this ribbing, insert your hook into the stitch and add your new color. Insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up loop and make a slip stitch. Continue that until the end of the round. At the end of the round, insert your hook into this stitch and make a slip stitch. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, hide the yarn. So for crochet border, add your new color, chain 3, yarn over, pull up loop, yarn over, pull up loop, yarn over, pull up loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up loop, yarn over, pull through all, chain 2, yarn over, insert your hook into this space, pull up loop, 1 2 3 times, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through all, chain 2, yarn over, insert your hook to this space, pull up loop, yarn over, 2 times, 3 times, chain 2. Continue that until the end of the round. At the end of the round, make a slip stitch top of that flower. Chain 1, cut the yarn off,